Do you know what is the greatest discovery of our generation? Do you know that? William James said the greatest discovery of our generation is that people can alter their life by altering their attitude. That means it doesn't matter where you are. You can go whenever you want to go in your life just by changing your attitude. So already you have understood in which topic today I will talk. I will talk today attitude. I will share what is attitude, kinds of attitude, and how to build positive attitude. So let's move on to the main part. So first of all, what is attitude? The meaning of attitude is mentality or your point of view thinking. Here has another definition, which is your attitude is output of your all information. That means how the amount of information you have in your brain, or how the amount of knowledge you have in your brain. Your point of view or your thinking, your mentality, your attitude depends on it. Hopefully clear. So right now I am going to share kinds of attitude. Basically there have three kinds of attitude. First of all, positive attitude, second negative attitude, and third one is common gender type attitude. So it's a new attitude. I am going to explain this type of attitude. First of all, positive attitude. Positive attitude means if you have in positive environment or positive feel, that times you feel positive. That's very simple. But fact is, if you have in negative environment, you live in negative people, that times your negative thoughts, you convert it into positive thoughts, positive attitude. That is positive attitude. And second one is negative attitude. Negative attitude means at the same time, if you have in positive environment or positive feelings, that even though you feel negative, you think it's very easy, it can do anyone. And on the other hand, if you live in negative environment, or if you have in negative environment, that times you will be full of negativity, you will be full of stress. That is negative attitude. And third one is common gender type attitudes. It's a new attitude, which is, if I give an example, if anyone tell you that yes, you can do it, that times yes, I can do it. Or at the same time he tell you that that's not possible for you. At the same time you also say that I think it's not possible for me. So that is common gender type attitude. That means you don't have any point of view, your feelings or your thinking. That is common gender type attitude. So we never ever carry this type of attitude. We always carry positive attitude. So right now I'm going to share how to build positive attitude. Very simple. Just maintain three things. Which is think positive, talk positive, and work positive. So first of all, think positive. Think positive means I can do it, I can achieve it, I can afford it. You have to think like that, because of in our daily life 60% time we think negative. So if you want to go forward, if you want to do better, we always remove negative things. And second thing is talk positive. That when you are think positive, that times you express by your mouth. Talk positive. You have to talk positive, and then work positive. Okay, fine. You have done think positive. You have done talk positive, and then you have to work positive. If you have done these three things, even then you will be success. Otherwise not. So always you have to maintain think positive, talk positive, or work positive. Then you will be success. And that's all about my topic. I hope you always maintain positive attitude. And finally, I want to say one line, which is attitude is the little things, but it can make huge difference. Again, attitude is the little things, but it can make huge difference. And the quality of thinking is determine the quality of life. Mind it. That's all about it. Assalamu alaikum.